We're here at Ben's. Got good news and bad news. Bad news is the head gasket on the SR is blown. Who fucking knows how it blew? Maybe it blew up from sitting. Is that a thing? Can a head gasket blow from an engine sitting? Like, I have no idea. Because it drove back fine and now it's fucked. So.
I don't think so.
I don't know what happened.
Torqued weird or something.
I figured out the full history of the SR. I went full juice box. It does have forged internals. That's forged pistons, forged JE pistons. So I ordered a Tomei head gasket and ARP head studs and all new OEM coolant. And we're gonna try and fix it, yeah? Crazy guy. So
where was the good news in that?
Oh, the good news is Tomei head gasket and everything, and the cam timing is also extremely off. So that's why this thing. Another reason why it feels like it has absolutely no power. So yeah, we'll figure it out. Hopefully everything goes all right. Hopefully the block's okay. Hopefully everything goes smooth. But it's me, and it's my luck, so probably not. Oi, Ben!
Ben, how gnarly is the clutch? Just saw you rolling forward there.
It's so bad.
It's like so much at the top, like at the most top it could be.
Yeah. You're going so far forward. Just rolling.
I thought you were trying to go forward for a second.
I was trying to find the point, but it was like all the way.
Yeah, it's cool.
The black carpet looks good.
Yeah, thank you. It turned out alright.
Yeah. And it kind of smells in there though.
Yeah, his car stinks.
It's a bit moist.
It's never had a chance to dry because the weather's been so shit. Maybe should I order?
That's nice.
I might.
Shit.
Wait, how much is shipping from Japan now? Is it still fucked?
No, it's better now with FedEx.
How much would you think shipping would be crazy on the bumper?
Probably.
Yeah, I'll wait for the container.
Are you getting into one?
I just want to get a stock bumper, I think.
There's gotta be someone local that has one.
Yeah, but not for like good price.
We had like 3.
We have them all.
We had them all and we sold them all.
Try to find a zero bumper.
Very stinky.
It does reek like coolant, eh?
Yep.
A new like Nissan kit like that. Yeah. That has like the car carrier and the 32, 33, and 34 all in white. That's pretty cool.
It's alright.
Undo, man.
Because it's so pressurized in there.
Jesus.
That's
square.
after not having a girlfriend for a while.
That's been when he's been shit for a
At
month.
least that was cold, not.
Yeah, true.
Take 2 of what happened last time.
That was a nice little bath.
She's here.
It's not really in the way.
I don't know.
I think we all still have the hood here, right?
You guys are fucking idiots.
Don't we all still have the hood? Isn't taking the hood off a bit of child abuse?
Yes.
Correct. Alright, so Noah's draining the coolant. Ben's working on getting the intercooler piping off. Then the accessories will come off. Intake manifold, exhaust manifold. And then the head can come off. Right?
Yes, well, valve cover cams. Head.
Yeah. But yeah, Noah's radiator, all the coolant was very pressurized. So when he took the drain, I wish I was filming, but he took the drain plug out and it just exploded. As you can see, this spray here went all the way like back there.
Thank fuck, that was cold.
And Ben got those 3rd-degree burns.
Oh yeah. I still have a scar from that.
Oh jeez.
It's the mump scar.
He's got the man.
The mumps.
Oh no, not the maps. Alright, intercooler piping is off. Ben is starting on the
Intake man.
intake manifold.
I guess we'll just take everything off
I'm gonna
the
go
intake,
outside,
right?
all this side, and then we'll fucking meet in the middle.
Sure. That sounds nice.
Yeah, Ben. That sounds romantic, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Comment how good Ben's new haircut is. He's looking suave.
Thanks.
The facial hair is also looking absolutely suave. Oh, you got some ginge. You know what?
Do
you,
I?
me,
I have
and Noah
ginge
get
in
the
mine.
ginge.
Look at the
Yeah.
ginge.
Noah's like the furthest from.
No, he has
have
two
ginge.
corners here that are ginge.
That's crazy.
Like a goat. You, know
You do
goats
have that.
I don't know what happened. Man, it's so fucked. This engine didn't change.
Like this engine's fucked?
No, but like, because I went back and figured out like everything, right? Back in May of 2018, this thing had 1,300 kilometers on it.
On the fresh rebuild?
On the fresh rebuild, bro.
Alright.
So that's the exhaust manifold bolts were.
The manifold?
No, sorry, downpipe. I think they're 17s. I can't remember.
What are you pulling off here, Ben?
I was trying to get everything off the intake, and then hopefully I can just unbolt it, and then it'll all be really good.
You have
Well
17, Ben?
There should be one there.
I did have one. It was on the ratchet.
Maybe it's over there.
Where's the ratchet, man? Fuck off for a sec. No. Okay, wait. I actually want to find this out. Come on. Nice. Well, that's fucking weird, man.
What do you, me and Noah are feeling kind of disrespected that you haven't,
What's going on the
worn
truck?
your hoodie. What about the hoodie?
I'm waiting for that. For the spring. I want it to be mint.
Okay. Good answer, I guess.
I don't want to put it into the rotation until I go back to school. Then I have a mint Moist Boys shirt.
Well, there you go. Alright. Turbo and exhaust manifold are off. The turbo manifold. What's next, Noah?
Valve cover, cams, then head bolts.
What about the injectors?
The coil packs?
Yeah, go back so you pull them on.
Yeah, those will come out with the valve cover. Yes.
Can you show us where the lawnmower landed on your head?
Jason pulls out.
Oh, it stinks.
Oh.
Oh.
That
It kind of looks tasty.
And that's not what it looked like when I put it on.
That looks like the Beastie Yeasties right there.
Looks like a big Saturday night.
What's going on?
Get some Monostat 7 for that.
And this thing's supposed to run again after this?
PTSD, Ben.
Oh, is it like? This looks like the McDonald's sauce from the chicken for breakfast.
Maybe it is.
Maybe that's what they use.
We're gonna pull the cams now.
Did you show them the milkiness?
Oh. It was not like that when I put the valve cover on like 2 weeks ago. So I don't know what the fuck happened.
It's weird how it's like such a small amount. You think it would like really mix.
Like that's small to you?
Well, like normally, like when it's like in the oil, wouldn't all the engine oil be milk?
Yeah, I guess. We should probably fucking drain it.
Yeah, definitely.
Jeez, man.
Maybe it's just condensation.
Yeah, it's just condensation, bruh. The cams are out. We can pull the head off now. What do you figure of this operation we got going here?
You're a bunch of half-assed nitwits.
What do you mean? Everything's organized? We got the baggies going in the box and stuff?
Uh-huh.
Come on now.
Uh-huh.
Why, just because I pulled the cams out without pulling the sprockets off? You can do that. That's a thing.
Uh-huh.
Trust me.
Yeah, I
Watch
trust
the-
you. I trust you.
like
That's why
one
you're
video.
that's why you're rebuilding your motor already. How long have you driven this thing for? How many times did you drive it before you blew it up?
Like 3 times?
Oh, there you go. Yeah.
What does that matter? It came blown, man. It's junk.
Oh, that's okay. Wait, I'll grab down here. Okay, go ahead.
I got the chain, Jason. I don't have it. Someone needs to come around.
There we go. Where are we putting it?
Let's see over here.
So check this out. Where's the brake on the head gasket? Somewhere on the back cylinder, right?
Mm-hmm.
I'll pull it off.
I have a coolant in there.
Because the head gasket's blocked.
That's not.
We should have that on
Yes.
camera. Car guy.
We did.
Why is there coolant in there?
Why does it not look like it looks?
Spoiler alert.
Oh, there's 3.
You found it?
Yeah. Is this broken or no?
What about right here too? Look at right there.
Was this a break or is it just on the?
Well,
Probably
how's the block?
slightly weeping in or something, maybe. You can see it's like burnt. Like it's probably.
The block looks okay, right?
I didn't see any damage. With my expert eye.
Well, holy fuck, boys.
That's it?
Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know what. Fuck. Thanks for the help. That was fucking scary.
Jason's a big proponent of half-assing stuff. Then doing it again.
Jason's my half-ass advisor.
Jason should drop your lawnmower on his head faster.
He smacked his head.
Not a
Now
jack.
he's not
That
a jack.
lawnmower still going?
So, dude, that is the utmost top. And remember how fucked the cams were? Did you film the cams before? When we pulled the valve cover? Yeah, you did.
I think so.
Man, they
I
were-
wasn't here when the...
They were like this. So they're supposed to be like this, right? This is like perfect position. It was like here, and then intake was like that. So that's why shit was cocked.
Ben has cool new car coming.
Are we coming with you to pick that up?
Yeah, that'd be fun.
Is it Vancouver?
Well, we'll get delivered back. So Alberta is. What's the town called again?
Claire? No, something weird. It's not a town. It's a village. It actually says village on Google.
Yeah, I figure as soon as it's done, I'll get my mom's car and I'll come out here with Adam.
I'm not here this weekend.
Well, no, like it won't be done this weekend.
Oh, okay.
We'll do it like after school and everything.
Where are you going?
Yeah,
Oh,
Washington.
Whenever. You guys are always welcome here.
Thanks, Jason. You know what? That makes me feel really good.
2.
Yeah, for sure. Like 3 there.
The small little
Jesus.
cracks, eh?
Oh,
That's all it takes.
it's all every crack you take.
It's not that bad. It's not that bad.
Get it? I
Well, I want to do
Future TikTok star, watch out.
this eventually too.
Can we get some arms in there? Some arm movement? No, and the feet. Or can, is it one or the other?
And then come
There we go. Get it, I guess. Whoa, the hip thrust? Watch out, ladies.
Yeah, ready?
I'm losing the volume. You should see it in there. There's nothing now.
Putting out the fire.
And then after the top end gets all done, the fucking bottom end will blow.
Yep.
According to
You're
Jason.
correct, sir.
Yeah. I'm gonna go home and think about what I should do. Okay, like, share, subscribe. Stay tuned for the next one. And we maybe put it back together. Maybe we pull it out of the car and throw it in the ocean. I don't know.
What's the question of the day, boys?
I don't know. Ben's got to come up with one.
It's my turn to ask a question.
It's always your turn. Come on.
Maybe I've asked this one before, but if you had to use a utensil for the rest of your life, what would it be?
I think I've heard that one.
Have you?
Yeah.
Okay, never mind.
So pissed.
I know, that was a couple videos ago.
Cool, man.
I watched them. Come on.
Niles, what do you want to build a house out of?
People said straw.
Oh, what about the Tom Brady sun kiss? Have you seen it?
Oh.
Was it
Have you
too-
seen that?
That's how Jason is with Ben.
Oh, that's disgusting.
Come on.
Come here, son.
Still be
Question of the day.
From now.
When you shit, is it liquid or solid?
That's a double meaning question.
Yeah, that's a
I have
trick
another.
question.
I have another question. I thought of too.
To build onto it?
Hopefully, it's okay if we double up.
Yeah, do it.
Do you have an innie or an outie belly button? Because I have both.
What?
Oh,
Do you
Ben.
shit sitting
No.
or standing?
Ben.
Stand.
Wait, we're wasting all our questions for the future.
How do you have
We've
an
done
innie
that
and an outie?
No, because Ben can pull his innie into
Don't
an
do it
outie.
now. Don't do it again.
I
Dude,
almost threw
belly
up.
button
I almost
reveal?
threw up.
Belly button reveal?
I don't know if I'm going
You
to.
want to see it? Show
No.
the viewers.
No, I can't
I've
see
seen
it
it.
again.
I've
Remember,
seen
the
it. I
viewers
almost
love
threw up.
Ben. They love the belly
No,
button.
that and it's crusty. It's like
Sometimes
it's like a parrot's tongue. You know how bird tongues are like crunchy? It's like that.
Sometimes it stinks. How do you smell it?
Oh,
You just
stay tuned for the light stickers, dude.
Someone who purchases this light sticker in their order will receive a Polaroid of Ben's transformable belly button. So, you definitely want to get one because that is a rare collector item. Might even make it an NFT. We'll see. Could be worth millions. Alright, otherwise, give us a good fuck off.
Fuck off.
The boys will try to hit 10 million K up on that YouTube. The best content that nobody so 280